Right, so in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to download and install the new Apple Devices app on your Windows PC or laptop. So iTunes no longer works, especially if you have a capable computer. And if you try to connect your iPhone to your Windows computer via iTunes and a cable, it doesn't recognize. So that's because there's a new app by Apple and it's called Apple Devices. So to get it installed on your Windows computer, just go to the Microsoft Store, click on the Start button, and then look for Microsoft Store. Okay, so just go ahead and launch Microsoft Store like that. And with the Microsoft Store launched, just go to the search function at the top there and then look for Apple Devices. So that's the app you want to be looking for. So here it is, Apple Devices. Just click on it and then go ahead and click on Install. Now, since I've already installed it, this button says open because I already installed it. But for you, it's gonna be a get button. So just click on get and have this app installed on your Windows computer. So that is basically how to get the new Apple Devices app on your computer. Now, once it's installed, you can now launch it. And if it's the first time you're trying to launch it, you're going to have to agree to these terms of service. So just click on agree, and there you go. So there's the Apple Devices application. Let me go ahead and close the Microsoft Store. So welcome to Apple Devices. The Apple Devices app lets you manage your Apple devices from your Windows PC. So let's just click on start, and then let's try and connect an iPhone and see what happens. So I've just connected mine via a cable, as you can see, and my iPhone has been detected, and you can see I can access my general page, my TV shows, photos, and other stuff, also settings. So I'll be making more videos on this, so make sure you get subscribed not to miss any of the tips of using these Apple devices, and of course other useful tech tips that you can only get on this channel up to date. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. And if you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section and I'll try and get back to you, or maybe I'll talk to you in the next one. Good luck.